Hi folks, this is Ada. We just completed 28th week of 2023. In this newsletter, you are going to find out what happened this week in the AI world. But before we begin, please like the video and do not forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest videos. OpenAI has announced that Code Interpreter, an official plugin for ChatGPT, will be available to all ChatGPT Plus users. This feature allows users to run code and access uploaded files, enabling tasks such as data analysis, chart creation, file editing, and mathematical operations. ChatGPT Plus users can opt in to access Code Interpreter and other experimental features through their account settings. The news highlights the potential of Code Interpreter for SEO and marketing analytics. Digital marketing professionals can leverage it for community engagement analytics, search engine optimization, trend spotting, campaign analysis, and utilizing Google Search Console data. However, OpenAI's release of Code Interpreter coincides with privacy concerns and legal issues, including a recent breach of user credentials and copyright infringement allegations. OpenAI must address these concerns to maintain user trust and prevent potential migration to alternative chatbot platforms. The Code Interpreter enhances the model's ability to process, generate, manipulate, and run programming code, specifically supporting Python. Users can upload files, with a current file size limit of 100 MB, and the interpreter can make changes to the uploaded files and prompt the user to download the modified versions. This feature has practical applications in software development, data analytics, documentation, and education, streamlining tasks such as code generation, error detection, code refactoring, data visualization, and providing real-time programming tutoring. Examples have shown users recreating games like Flappy Bird, performing data analysis and visualization, and even creating audio files and music. In a Python discussion forum, Meta announced their commitment to supporting the removal of the Global Interpreter Lock, GIL, in Python, pending the acceptance of PEP 703. Meta expressed their belief in the value that the removal of the GIL will bring, and their willingness to collaborate with the core development team to improve Python for everyone. If PEP 703 is accepted, Meta plans to dedicate 3 engineer years from experienced CPython internals engineers between the acceptance of the proposal and the end of 2025. Their engineers will work on implementing PEP 703 smoothly in CPython and addressing compatibility and performance issues related to the removal of the GIL. This commitment from Meta is seen as a positive step towards enhancing Python's capabilities and performance. Apache Cassandra is planning to support vector search, a cutting-edge technique that enhances document retrieval within extensive collections. By utilizing machine learning models and embeddings, vector search goes beyond keyword matching, providing more accurate and relevant results. With the ability to find the most semantically similar documents to a given query, vector search revolutionizes information retrieval. The proposal suggests integrating the HNSW library into Cassandra's infrastructure, allowing users to efficiently perform approximate nearest neighbor searches. As progress continues, vector search in Cassandra holds the potential to significantly improve AI applications and attract both existing and new users seeking to harness the capabilities of artificial intelligence. Redis has recently implemented the HNSW algorithm within its Redis search module to enable rapid vector search. Likewise, PostgreSQL has introduced the PG vector extension, augmenting its relational database with vector database capabilities. Consequently, it appears that Cassandra has been slower to respond or take any action in this regard. Redis recently decided to retire Redis Graph, a module that extended Redis into a general-purpose property graph database. Even though exponential growth is expected in graph databases, Redis believes that companies often require assistance in developing software utilizing graph databases. This necessitates acquiring new technical skills, such as graph data modeling, query composition, and query optimization. Like any technology, graph databases come with their own limitations and drawbacks. The learning curve associated with graph databases is steep. Proof of concepts often take significantly longer than anticipated, and the success rate may be lower compared to other database models. This frequently leads to frustration for customers and their development teams. Additionally, for database vendors like Redis, it translates into a substantial investment in pre-sales and post-sales support, surpassing that of other database models. Additionally, Redis observed impressive growth and success in other Redis enterprise features, such as search and query, JSON, and vector. The costs required to grow technical, sales, and support capacity for the graph database market were higher than anticipated. After this retirement, Neo4j is poised to emerge as the leading player in the graph database domain. Japanese police will begin testing AI-equipped security cameras to protect high-profile public figures. The cameras will be equipped with AI-based technology, including behavior detection and object detection, to supplement existing security measures. The National Police Agency aims to launch the testing during the current fiscal year. The system will learn to detect suspicious behavior by analyzing patterns of movement, such as repeatedly looking around, which can be challenging for human observers in crowded environments. The accuracy of the detection will be examined during the testing process. Facial recognition technology will not be included due to privacy concerns. The use of AI in policing is increasing globally, and AI cameras are already being widely used in Europe, the US, and Asia. The implementation of AI-equipped security cameras is also planned for the 2024 Paris Olympics and Paralympics. In Japan, the private sector has already adopted similar systems, such as notifying security guards of suspicious activity. The testing of AI-equipped cameras aims to enhance security and improve the efficiency of law enforcement. Meanwhile, the EU has drafted legislation known as the AI Act that aims to ban certain uses of AI. The draft prohibits mass facial recognition programs in public places, predictive policing algorithms that rely on personal data to identify future offenders, emotion recognition systems in law enforcement and other sectors, and indiscriminate scraping of biometric data from social media or CCTV footage for facial recognition databases. The legislation also requires the creation of a public database to inform EU citizens about the deployment of high-risk AI systems by public and government authorities. The draft has been approved by two key committees of the European Parliament, but it still needs to undergo further review and negotiation before becoming law. Digital rights campaigners have hailed the draft as a significant step in prohibiting certain tech uses from a human rights perspective. The legislation's impact is expected to extend beyond the EU, as tech companies often comply with EU regulations on a global scale. Chroma, an AI-native vector database, aims to enhance AI models and bridge the gap between AI models and production. In an interview with CEO Jeff Huber, he discusses Chroma's use of embeddings and powerful document retrieval capabilities to prevent hallucinations in AI models, improve accuracy, and increase developer productivity. Chroma's integration with AI SDKs like Semantic Kernel allows developers to leverage embeddings and enhance the capabilities of their AI models. By utilizing retrieval-augmented generation, Chroma provides factual information to AI models, reducing the chance of generating inaccurate responses. Chroma's in-memory mode contributes to faster query processing, and the company is working on tools to help developers build reliable and powerful AI applications using embeddings. Chroma's unique feature is its focus on programmable memory, enabling language models to learn and remember information outside their own weights. As the first and only AI-native vector database, Chroma aims to play a significant role in the future of AI development. Clement DeLange, CEO of Hugging Face, has transformed the company into an open-source AI platform, allowing users to host and share machine learning projects. With over 250,000 models and 50,000 datasets shared, Hugging Face has reached a $2 billion valuation. DeLange's community-driven approach has become an important alternative to proprietary AI developments, and the company has formed collaborations with tech giants like Microsoft, Amazon, and IBM. By fostering a supportive community, Hugging Face continues to play a significant role in the AI landscape's growth and innovation. Elon Musk has launched an AI startup called xAI, emphasizing its pro-humanity approach to address concerns about a potential Terminator future. Musk expressed the need to worry about apocalyptic AI scenarios and stated that a maximally curious AI, focused on understanding humanity, could be safer than one programmed with moral guidelines. While Musk previously supported a pause in developing advanced AI, he now sees it as unrealistic and hopes xAI can offer an alternative path. He discussed the potential of artificial general intelligence leading to an age of plenty or a darker future. Musk mentioned that superintelligence could be closer than experts estimate, perhaps 5 or 6 years away. The XAI team includes former engineers from DeepMind, Google, and Microsoft. Musk's new company, separate from X Corp, will collaborate with Twitter, Tesla, and other companies, recruiting engineers and researchers in the San Francisco Bay Area. Meta is set to release a commercial version of its AI model, aiming to compete with Microsoft-backed OpenAI and Google in the race to develop generative AI. The new model, based on large language models, will allow startups and businesses to build custom software using Meta's technology. Unlike competitors, Meta's AI model will be open source, meaning details of the model will be publicly released, fostering an open ecosystem for innovation and improvement. The move reflects Meta's effort to catch up with rivals and establish itself as a dominant AI player, while also addressing concerns surrounding AI by promoting openness and community collaboration. So, I summarized the news in AI for this week. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe, and make comments to support this work. Cheers!